Hi, I'm Adam Fusman with Fuse Service, and we keep the Bay Area flowing, literally. New construction. My team comes it at the blueprint stage, mapping supply and waste line that meet California tough water efficiency codes. From rough-in to final fixtures, we deliver leak-free, inspector-ready installs that stay on the schedule. Brand new home upgrades, swap builder grade to the best-in-class tankless heaters, whole house filtration, hot water recirculation, endless water heater, lower utility bills. Done. Remodel on the horizon. We relocate kitchens, create spa-style baths, and replace old galvanized with modern PEX or copper, all while protecting your finishes and keeping your job site spotless. Building an ADU, we design compact, energy-smart plumbing layouts that pass a city inspection for the first time, perfect for tenants, guests, or a home office with a shower. From permits and trenching to final pressure tests, Fuse Service coordinates with your GC, inspectors, and PG&E so you never lose a day to red tape. Need an expert plumbing for new construction, remodels, or ADU in the Bay Area? Call Fuse Service or book online today, and let's get your project flowing.